Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join a parkour party in Heartopia. So you're just going to go to party, and instead of the hide and seek one, you're going to join the parkour party. To start the timer, you will need to go through the green mat with the arrow, so you can it can kind of calculate how fast you are through the obby, and you can always start over if the obstacle is taking too long. You can go back to the green mat and start all over again until you have the best time, and you can submit it. And to end the obstacle, there's obviously going to be a mat at the end to end it. You can make the obstacles easier for people by placing the end of the mat somewhere else. As you can see, it's the yellow one there, but I did complete it in 5 seconds, so I was pretty proud of that. Here is the mat. Did I make it? I think I did. Yeah, I did it in 27 seconds, and then I did it in 5 seconds. So here's where you can submit the current party ranking. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!